for a joint trial. So an order was made to transfer it to court number 3. Okay, so we ended up in High Court number 3 for various issues to be thrashed out. One was the 3 charges. There is a joint trial ordered, but before the joint trial was ordered, I received very strict instruction, and I've sent this letter. This is the most important thing I think that happened today. I've sent a letter to the Chief Judge Malaya, not Chief Justice, Chief Judge Malaya, that is Tan Sri Zaharah, and I extended the copy of the letter to the 2 judges, namely Justice Sufyan as well as Justice Nazlan, to put on record that in the middle of the case being tried in Justice Sufyan's court, in court number 3, we now have a transfer order suddenly, where Justice Sufyan goes to civil court number 10, and Nazlan from somewhere else have now come to court number 3. Now, although we have no issue with either judge, either Sufyan or Nazlan, we have no issue, and we don't fault any of these 2 judges, but we think the system, the registry in Putrajaya was not sensitive to the fact that these are very sensitive issues. It ought to be done in open court. If you think Justice Sufyan should be recused, then you make the application before him. Alright? We said that. And in the case of recusal, nobody make an application. Neither the prosecution nor us make any application to recuse Justice Sufyan. So there's a big question mark why Justice Sufyan was moved out and Justice Nazlan moved in. So we sent a very lengthy letter. I don't want to say so much. It is all in this letter, and it is now a court document, which is therefore you are entitled to see it. You understand? You are entitled to see this letter which I sent to the CJM, because I've read it in open court, and it is treated as fully read. I'll give it to you in a short while because it is important, because it affects the system of justice in this country. Because if we are talking about justice must be done in the open court, and justice must be transparent, what happened is not the fault of the 2 judges, but the system is not transparent. Something is seriously wrong. Why do you do that? Why do you change and transfer judges by not doing it in the open? Okay? So that is the most important thing that I took to begin with, the proceeding in court number 3.